Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Canada Classifieds and Jobs in Toronto, Canada from Facebook page and YouTube page. So friends, now I am going to show how you can search job and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So friends, now this time I'm share with you today's latest job. So friends, this is new and updated job, IT specialist required in Toronto. So friends, now going to check out the details and requirements for the job. IT specialist required in Toronto. One on our clients located in Montreal. We are looking for a bilingual literal IT specialist for a 3 months contract role with possibility of permanency afterwards. General information: type contract, length 3 months, work location Montreal, some remote, hours work 40 hours per week, start date as soon as possible. Your new responsibilities: will own the assigned process from conceptualization through implementation as well as future measurement and evaluation of the process, build teams and partnership with appropriate business partners to ensure processes are timely and efficient, main point of contact for stores and operations for all daily and strategic initiatives, deliver result with high sense of urgency and great customer service, follow up on standing store issues and tracks through project software. What you will need to succeed: 2 years experience in point of sale or computer related field, strong organizational, verbal and written skills, excellent communication skills, ability to work with all levels of organization, strong PC skills, proficient in Microsoft Office, bachelor degree in IT or related functional business area or combination of course work, job experience, project management experience, leading medium project asset. What you need to do now: if you are interested in this job, in this role, click apply now, forward up to date copy of your CV or call us now. So friends, these are the details and requirements for the job. So if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated profile to this email address. So friends, you must have a previous experience in relevant field, minimum 2 years experience, and you must have graduate in relevant subjects, then you can easily apply. So friends, salary not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So friends, I hope you understand. Friends, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our Facebook page and you can also visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories jobs available in the website. So you can easily search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply a job. So friends, I hope you understand these step and process. So it's very easy. So friends, thank you so much for your watching. Allah Hafiz.